Enhance your gaming setup with the top 5 mechanical keyboards for gamers, engineered for lightning-fast response, ultimate durability, and immersive feedback. Whether you're aiming, executing combos, or streaming, each keyboard offers customizable switches, RGB illumination, and high-performance features to elevate every keystroke and dominate the battlefield. For more information, like the video, comment, and do subscribe. Number 5. Razer Huntsman V2. Introducing the Razer Huntsman V2, a high-performance wired gaming keyboard built for speed and precision. Featuring optical mechanical switches, it boasts an ultra-low latency thanks to an astonishing 8,000 Hz polling rate, ensuring each keystroke sends to your PC up to 8 times faster than a typical keyboard. The keyboard uses double-shot PBT keycaps for long-lasting durability and premium tactile feel, while the solid build houses a detachable plush wrist rest and a dedicated media wheel for quick volume control. Every key is fully programmable via the Razer Synapse software, allowing custom macros, lighting effects, and specialized gaming profiles. Whether you're gaming competitively or typing long sessions, the Huntsman V2 delivers smooth, responsive action and rich features. If you want responsiveness and high-end build in one, this is a top-tier choice. Number 4. Logitech G915 TKL. The Logitech G915 TKL delivers pro-grade performance with a sleek tinkerless design that frees up desk space without sacrificing premium features. It uses ultra-low-profile GL mechanical switches for rapid actuation and precise feedback, even quicker than traditional full-height switches. Its wireless Lightspeed technology offers 1 millisecond wireless response, ideal for competitive gaming, while a single charge keeps you in the game for up to 40 hours with full RGB. Crafted with an aircraft-grade aluminum top plate and steel-reinforced base, the keyboard boasts both elegance and durability. Customize every key with LightSync RGB and onboard profiles, define macros with Logitech G Hub, and effortlessly switch between devices via Bluetooth or wireless dongle. Dedicated media controls and an edgeless volume will add convenience while gaming or streaming. Compact, fast, and loaded with features, the G915 TKL is a top-tier choice for serious gamers. Number 3. SteelSeries Apex Pro Gen 3. Step into elite-level performance with the SteelSeries Apex Pro Gen 3, a gaming keyboard engineered for speed, precision, and customization. At its core are the OmniPoint 3.0 hypermagnetic Hall effect switches, letting you dial actuation from 0.1 mm up to 4.0 mm. Ideal for both lightning-fast reactions in esports and comfortable deep-press typing. With a response time as low as 0.7 milliseconds and features such as rapid trigger, rapid tap, and protection mode, which reduces unintended key presses, this keyboard gives you a measurable edge in intense gaming sessions. Built from a premium aluminum top plate with double-shot PBT keycaps, plus triple-layer sound-dampening foam and enhanced stabilizers, every keystroke feels smooth, solid, and satisfying. On the software side, SteelSeries GG lets you customize lighting, create macros, assign dual actions, and save profiles on board. Whether you're fragging in FPS or hammering out work, the Apex Pro Gen 3 blends tactile excellence with esports-ready features. Number 2. HyperX Alloy Origins Core. Unlock high-performance gaming with the Alloy Origins Core, a tankless mechanical keyboard designed to maximize desk space and elevate your play. Its compact TKL layout gives you more mouse room for clutch moves, while the full aircraft-grade aluminum body ensures durability and stability under intense keystrokes. Equipped with HyperX's own mechanical switches, rated for 80 million clicks, the keyboard delivers responsive, accurate keystrokes with low actuation force for fast reactions. A detachable USB-C braided cable adds portability and convenience for on-the-go use. The per-key RGB lighting features exposed LEDs for vivid effects, and through HyperX Ingenuity software you can customize macros, lighting layers, and game mode settings. With 3 adjustable tilt angles, 3 degrees, 7 degrees, 11 degrees, 100% anti-ghosting and full N-key rollover, the Alloy Origins core keeps up with serious gaming demands. Compact, powerful, and custom-friendly, the Alloy Origins core gives you pro-level mechanics in a space-saving form. Number 1. Asus ROG Strix Scope. The ROG Strix Scope is engineered for FPS gamers seeking speed, precision, and pro-level build quality. It features the signature, accurate, extra-wide control key, more than twice the size of a standard one, making it easier to hit in the heat of battle. Beneath its sleek aluminum top plate lies genuine German-made Cherry MX mechanical switches, red, brown, blue, silver, silent red, delivering satisfying tactile feedback and robust actuation. Per-key RGB lighting via AuraSync brings full customization to every keystroke, while the Quick Toggle switch lets you instantly swap between media and function keys for work or play. Add to that a dedicated stealth key that instantly mutes audio and hides applications, and you've got a keyboard built for immersive gaming and everyday multitasking. Durable, stylish, and high-performance, the ROG Strix Scope raises your playfield. So guys, that is all for the Top 5 Mechanical Keyboards for Gamers. Like the video, comment, and do subscribe our channel. We will meet in next video. Take the teal, bye.